Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Kyodoka. I'm Ryusei. Today I introduce the Japanese table manners of chopsticks. Chopsticks are called hashi and written by like this. This is a request video from my viewer. Thank you so much, and we are so happy to a warm feeling of respect for Japan. In Japan, there are so many table manners, and today I picked up 13 important manners. Once you have mastered them, you'll be able to eat Japanese foods more comfortably and beautifully. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Yes, let's go.
Today I prepared these dishes. 筑前煮、卵焼き、dressed spinach with sesame sauce, white rice, and miso soup. This meal is a very common style in Japan. いただきます。Let's eat the rice first. I love Japanese rice. Japanese rice is sweet, moisture, and sticky. So the rice sticks to the chopsticks easily. But eating the rice like this is a bad manner, and we call it mogibashi. Mogi means resting in Japanese. It is not cool, so I recommend to eat the miso soup first and let the chopsticks wet, and then I'll eat the rice. Stop. Before I took the rice bowl by left hand, ideally we take it by right hand and pass to left hand and take the chopsticks. Just before I let the chopsticks wet, this prevents the rice from sticking to the chopsticks. That's why we can eat it comfortably. And I recommend to eat the rice small portions. And when I drink miso soup, chopsticks are in the soup bowl. Not outside, inside. It is cool. Next, I'll eat miso soup. This is namidabashi. Namida means tear in Japanese. If we don't take the soup bowl, the drops fall to the table. It is bad manner, so we should take the soup bowl to eat it beautifully. Next, what should I eat? Stop. This is mayoi-bashi. Mayoi means being confused in Japanese. It is not good manner. It's good to decide quickly and take the plate. Next, I'll eat a piece of cognac, but I change it to tamagoyaki. This is utsuribashi. Utsuri means change in Japanese. If we eat the food with other people, we should avoid utsuribashi. Once I decide what I eat, I should eat it. Next, this is yosebashi. Yose means putting the something towards us. Putting the plate with chopsticks may hurt the towel. It is bad manner. We should take the plate and eat it. Next, I'll eat the spinach dressed with sesame sauce. Tasty, and the delicious sauce sticks to the chopsticks. No, this is neburibashi. Neburi means licking in Japanese. This is also bad manner, and it's similar to mogibashi. The tip of preventing from mogibashi is letting the chopsticks wet. And the tip of preventing from neburibashi is arranging the spinach like a mountain. It is also important for chefs to make the food that guests can enjoy it beautifully. And we should take it from the top. This helps to prevent the sauce from sticking to the chopsticks. It is also good to eat small amounts at a time using the tip of chopsticks. If we eat big amounts at the same time, the sauce sticks to the upper side of the chopsticks. Next, I'll eat tamagoyaki. Stop. This is sashi-bashi. Sashi means sticking something. It is not good manner to stick the chopsticks into the something. Saguri means looking for something in the plate. Sore means arranging the chopsticks. This is called chigiri-bashi, and chigiri means tearing. This is called hashiwatashi, and watasu means passing. The name is similar to hashiwatashi, but it's watashi-bashi. If we have a chopstick rest, we should place the chopsticks on it. And this is tate-bashi. Tate means standing. And this reminds us of a funeral. I rarely watch it, but we should not do tate-bashi. Finally, sashi-bashi. Sashi means pointing people. I introduced sashi-bashi just before, but the meaning and the kanji are different. Pointing people with chopsticks is bad manner. Finally, eating everything is good manner. You don't need to eat everything absolutely, but we're happy if you enjoy all the meal. At last, I'll show you how to hold the chopsticks. I take them by right hand and pass them to left hand, and place them between thumb and index finger. I support the upper chopstick with thumb, and move index finger and middle finger. Ring finger and little finger are also supporting the bottom chopsticks. If you master holding the chopsticks, you'll be able to eat Japanese food more enjoyable.
Thank you. How was this video? Once you have mastered these techniques, you'll be able to eat Japanese foods more comfortably and beautifully. And I really appreciate your warm feeling of learning Japanese manner. Thank you for watching to this end. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. Have a nice day. See you later.